welcome to our channel Sri Complete Official. Today we have to discuss about class 12 chemistry, and our chapter is D and F block elements. That means guys, in previous section of video we have to discuss about the properties of chromate terms, that potassium dichromate, chromate ion, that is discussed by us in previous section. Today we have to discuss about the usage. In previous section of video we have to discuss about the last properties of chromate, that is potassium dichromate in terms, that is their oxidizing property. In terms of their oxidizing behavior, we have discussed that in the when it combined with the sulfuric acid, it produces nascent oxygen, that means newborn oxygen. This is the realistic and the way of the formation, that means the oxidizing way. Today we have to discuss the usage of dichromate. Uses of dichromate is here. That means the dichromate is used in photography for the hardening of gelatin film. In terms of the molding property, it get used in terms of moderator for this purpose. That means we have to discuss about the chromate is used for the photography in terms of the gelatin film, that is in terms of the very soft touch. After using this chromate in terms, that it is used for the hardening of the process. After that, this is used for the preparation. That means the potassium dichromate, in terms of the dichromate ion, it is used for the preparation of many type of chromium compound. That is just like the formation of chromium. Second one is this dichromate is used for the manufacturing of chromium containing compound like chromium, alum, and red chromium, black chromium, etc. That is used as reactant combining with another element to form their regional product of the combine with the chromate, that means in terms of the those component, that means those product which contain chromium, this is used for the formation of the chromate alloy, and the formation of again chrome yellow. This is also used for the formation of chrome yellow and chrome red. This is two compound is also used in the preparation of this formation, that is chrome yellow and chrome red. This is Pb CrO4 in this, and this is Pb CrO4 dot Pb. So that's all the compounds which have been prepared in the preparation in the terms of the chromate. That means this is used for the preparation manufacturing of this type of compounds. Now, third one, this dichromate in turn is used for the manufacturing of cleansing product with potassium dichromate. That is used for cleaning glassware product as a cleansing agent. That means in the preparation of this type of formation, we have to discuss that the potassium dichromate and this chromate formation used for the cleansing agent, for the using of cleaning glassware substances, glassware utensils things. This is the term of used formation. So guys, take those screenshots of it. Okay, I am using this after two uses because another one uses is derived by us, that will we have to discuss here. After two uses of this coding, that will if there is any question asked in the board examination of 2021-22, what are the uses of this coding, then we have to discuss in terms of 5 marks question arrangement. And this again is the formation of this. So this is also important for us. So take a note of this thing. This chromate ion is used for the volumetric estimation of sulfide ores and other iodide ores and their estimation of fields. This is used for making the lustrous object for grilling, and also used in the preparation of many outer look automotive parts. Now we have to discuss about the last use of instrument. That means we have discussed that this type of question is asked in the board examination in terms of the 5 marks. That means you have to, in the terms of answering, you have to give at least 5 points for this. This is your 4th point is here. This is your 4th point is here. Now your last one usage is here, and this is used in the leather industry for chrome tanning. This means that for the outer lustrous look, it is used. That means these are the 5 points we have to discuss that in terms of the preparation of many type of chrome yellow chrome, that means this is chrome red or chrome yellow. In terms of this is the formula of PbCrO4.PbO, and in terms of chrome yellow we have discussed that the formula is PbCrO4 is here. In terms of this is used for the cleansing material of glassware after the combining of the potassium bicarbonate. This is used for the preparation of the volumetric estimation of the sulfide ore, iodide ore, chromite ore, and in terms of the ferrous sulfates combinations, this is used for many type of automotive parts due to the property of lucidity. Because chrome, you are seeing that there is many grills in the car is used by the making the instrumental things, that is chrome here. Just like this is used for the leather industry. If anyone asks you what is the use of this chrome in leather industry, so this is, you have to say that this substance is used for the chrome tank. So guys, take a note of this, take a screenshot of this. After that, we have to discuss about the structure. So take it. Now we have to study about the structure of dichromate. Now we have to study about the structure of dichromate. So guys, our point is started from that in term of the structure, the chromate ion is bounded as tetrahedral structure that mean the surrounding of four oxygen atom with the chromate and the center position. This makes it tetrahedral. Then the orientation of this chroma is detached with the formation of like this structure. This is your chromium here, and this is the one oxygen, second one oxygen, this is your third one oxygen, and this is your fourth one oxygen. In terms of the formation, you have to prepare this like the wave beauty, which is rearranged in the term of this. This is the structure of tetrahedral structure in third dimensional way. This is also prepared in the way of symmetrical plane, just like the way of this is CR 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is also here, this is also here, this is also, this is also. And the formation of this is the residue. This is the symmetrical representation. The symmetrical representation of chromate ion. So guys, you have to thinking about the sentence. We have discussed that is the structure of dichromate. This is not a dichromate ion. This is the third dimensional structure of the tetrahedral structure, that is only a chromate ion. This is not the formation of dichromate. After combining two of them, we have to prepare dichromate. That means our next step is the preparation of dichromate ion in the terms of the formation. What are the critical formation of dichromate? What are the bond angle of adjacent oxygen? How oxygen combine with each other at the corner or at the end of the point? That's all I'm going to discuss in the terms of the subject. So take a note of this first. So the point is this, That means in terms of the structure of dichromate, the two tetrahedral combine with each other at the corner of oxygen atom. Now you have to representation of this formation, that is, this is one chromium, this is your second chromium. In terms of the sequential carrying, we have to see that how the oxygen combined with total 4 oxygen combined with us. This is your the tendency of first oxygen, and here this is also combination of second one oxygen. Just like the formation 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The bond angle of this corner oxygen is about 130 degree. Representation, this is a structure of dichromate. So draw this.